How to convert Euro to USDT in the Binance app. First things first is make sure that you're currently running with the latest version of the Binance application via the Google Play Store. You should be able to know if your Binance app needs an updating because update button is going to be visible. Simply tap on that, it will automatically update by itself. Next thing you do is access your Binance app and make sure that you logged into your account. Now to convert those crypto coins, all you have to do is just to tap this yellow logo right here at the top left portion of your screen and then head over to convert. Now once you're here, all you have to do next is choose from Bitcoin that you'd like to start with. Say for example, let's start with USDT and then the two Bitcoin, let's change it to Euro. So you can not only change USDT to Euro, but you can also change any other crypto coins that you would like to change. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can change or convert Euro to USDT in the Binance app.